Many business owners reach April 16th feeling a quiet sense of dread if the deadline passed unfinished. If you missed the filing deadline and aren't sure what happens next, this video is for you. When a deadline passes, uncertainty often turns into self-criticism. Owners assume damage has already been done and that options have narrowed. That reaction usually leads to panic, not clarity. Understanding what actually matters after the deadline helps owners respond calmly and avoid compounding stress with rushed decisions. In this video, we're not offering legal or tax advice. We're also not discussing penalties, interest calculations, or specific filing strategies. We're simply going to explain what missing the deadline actually means, what does not change, and how to think clearly about next steps without panic. We'll start by clarifying what changes after April 15th, then look at why owners emotionally magnify missed deadlines, and finish with a steadier way to approach the situation. This is about understanding, not urgency. What actually changes after the deadline? Missing the deadline changes timing, not reality. The business activity already occurred. The income was earned. The expenses were incurred. Those facts do not disappear because a date passed. The deadline primarily marks a shift in administrative status, a different set of next steps, a change in sequence, not substance. Understanding this helps separate emotion from reality. Why missed deadlines feel so heavy? Deadlines carry symbolic weight. For owners, missing one often triggers thoughts like, I messed this up. I should have handled this sooner. This is going to spiral. That reaction comes from responsibility, not failure. Owners are conditioned to treat missed dates as personal shortcomings, even when circumstances were complex or incomplete. The misunderstanding many owners carry is, if I miss the deadline, I've lost control of the situation. In reality, control is lost through inaction driven by panic, not through a missed date. Clarity returns when owners focus on what remains steady rather than what feels damaged. Here's the steadier perspective. After the deadline, the goal is order, not urgency. That means regaining clarity on what's known, understanding what still needs to be finalized, proceeding deliberately rather than emotionally. Missed deadlines don't require punishment, they require sequencing. When owners understand that, pressure gives way to proportion. If you miss the deadline, that doesn't mean the year is out of control. It usually means the process extended beyond a calendar boundary. What matters most now is steadiness, not speed. Please like this video if you have enjoyed. Every like encourages us to create helpful content. Thank you once again for watching. Have a blessed day.